5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Terrific timing, eh? Totally on time for our tip-top picnic. Now, where has N got to? You're 10 seconds late, N. Never mind. Do we have everything? I've brought the tea.
And I've brought the apples.
What have you brought in?
Nothing.
N.
N, you can't just snap your fingers and expect a picnic to appear.
No, but we could hold hands.
Ant.
N.
Not me.
That tickles.
N.
No, it wasn't me.
My apples. N, what have you?
Nothing.
So, what's going on here then?
A truly terrible picnic.
We'll soon sort that out.
Ants. Tickly. Tickly.
Stop. Stop. N.
No, not me.
My teacups. My teapot.
N.
No! I just popped in. A picnic? Perfect.
Pants. N. What use are pants?
This picnic is pathetic.
So let's do something about it.
You try.
Pants.
N.
Let's try without N. Taps. N. This isn't going to work.
Snap.
I am going to snap my fingers and make a delicious picnic appear.
Try telling your tall tales to someone who'll believe you.
As if. Sorry.
No! No way! Tea and apples and cakes and...
Try pulling the other one.
No way!
I said try pulling the... Told you.
N! Nobody listens to me!
I see.
Nobody believes me.
I see.
Nobody...
I see. I see. We see. Can we help?
Not unless you can... I see!
Picnic!
A perfect picnic.
N!
Nice.
Alphablocks! It is I!
Not unless it's invisible.
It is invisible.
No way.
It's invisible ink. I'm invisible.
So am I. Nice. Okay.
Look, little L is lying down.
Do something.
Small S will save you, little L. We'll soon have you safe and sound in the
Sink.
Strange. Did someone say sink?
Teedly-um-tum-tum-tum-tum. Tea for two. Time for a top-up, Tiny Tea.
Stop! Something strange is happening.
Stink.
What's that smell?
Tell you what, it smells fishy to me.
Think. Think. Stink. Think. Sink. Think. Invisible ink.
We think we know what's going on. P, please pop in.
What's the plan?
Pop in the puddle, P. And S, send for the others. We think it's time we had some fun.
I must say, this is fun.
Pink. No.
It's incredible being invisible.
But I will not in. Shrink. Tea, anyone? How about a nice cool drink? Delicious.
Refreshing.
Incredible! Nice! Okay. Invisible and small! Think of all the fun we can have now! But we're not! What's this?
Hello, incredibly small eye.
Big.
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make anything.
Hold my hand,
Make a magical land.
When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alphablocks?